Happy New Year, my friends. This is one episode which I've been longing to do for a month now. So many people have reached out to me asking for weight loss secrets. So every year, after I turned 30, my waist size also got increased. Very high blood sugar levels, fatty liver, high cholesterol, and whatnot. Then I decided enough is enough. I reached out to two wonderful people who are here today with us, Joe and Priya. Within 2 months, you have seen my story: 13 kgs of weight loss, correct HbA1c levels, and correct cholesterol levels. I couldn't thank Joe and Priya and the coach Hashim here, who's not here with us today, but all of them have done a tremendous job in supporting through that journey. So I decided it'd be wonderful to share the success secrets on the weight loss. Hopefully, you will love and enjoy it. Joe and Priya, welcome to the show. How are you going today?
Thank you, Madhu. How are you?
Really good, really good. Thank you. Let's start about talking about yourself, right? So, what you do, what fascinated you to start this healthy weight loss program?
Thank you, Madhu. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are logged in from. So, I'm Joe. I'm based out of Kochi in Kerala. Did my MBA from IIM Bangalore in 2009. Was interested in nutrition from 2010 onwards. I got cholesterol myself, and that's how I got interested in nutrition. Started learning it, did certifications. For the last 10, 11 years, I've been into nutritional consulting. Apart from my job, I work in the IT industry, more than 16 years of
Mm.
IT experience. But then last 3 years is when I got associated with Reshape Nation and became a weight loss coach. That's my background.
So, hi everyone, and happy New Year to you. I know New Year is the time all of us take decisions to get healthy, right? So, my
True.
story is very similar to yours. I too work in the IT industry. I have more than 16 years in the IT industry. But 10 years ago, I too started taking a passion for nutrition. So, my background, my whole family is obese, right? So, it was very easy for me to accept that I will be in that, right? I will be in that weight range. And for a long time, just because I was in the field of nutrition, I tried a lot of things to lose weight. I'm sure many of you have done the same, right? And that is when 3 years ago, my life completely changed when I got associated with Reshape Nation, right? And I lost a lot of weight. And it's not just about the weight loss. I have completely transformed my life in the last 3 years. So that is a bit about my story for now. Over to you, Madhu.
Beautiful, beautiful. So lovely to hear. In fact, I can relate to what you both are saying, especially having gone through the process in the last couple of months. So, hence this podcast to dissect the weight loss process. Now, talk about your own weight loss journey. What did you learn? Let's dive deep on that aspect. So, start with Priya.
Yeah, so just like I told you, right? I was overweight and my weight was always fluctuating. Many of us are out there, right? Losing 10 kgs, gaining the 10 kgs, or maybe even 15 kgs back. And that is when 3 years ago, I saw a post of my friend Minati on Facebook. I saw about Reshape Nation and I was very curious to see what they were doing out there. And I myself, decided to enroll in the program as a candidate first. I wanted to try out what they work on, and I lost nearly 15 kgs of weight. And frankly speaking, my health was in a situation where, before the Reshape Nation program, though I used to lose weight many times, the health was not good. So 10 years ago, I was in Europe, and when we are in Europe, we try all sorts of things. So I did go, skiing in Switzerland, had a major accident there, couldn't walk for a year and started my back pain issues from there. And from then on, the weight was a constant companion for me where, trying to lose and gain it. But with Reshape Nation, what I was really impressed is that they worked on the body science, right? They worked on our body. The transformation was not only just about the weight. The health completely changed. And you can see today how it has happened, right? So Reshape Nation was a community. Okay, if you see, it was
Mm.
visualized by Samarjeet and Minati Chowdhury from Bangalore. It was initially visualized for a small group of people, their own friends, where they used to work out in the neighboring park in Bangalore, okay, to help their friends and family first. And soon they understood that it's not just about them and their friends. A lot of people are looking to get healthy. And that is when they went on social media, started the page called as Reshape Nation. And from then on, it is history, right? They have helped, more than 75,000 people worldwide to become fit and healthy. And with this small idea that started in a small park in Bangalore, it's completely global now. So that is how the journey has started. And a lot of people like me who have got benefited, who have transformed their life from a totally unfit person who would refuse to walk even 500 meters, right, to going for 5 and 10K runs, practicing for a half marathon this year.
So my journey is a little different, right? I was always into sports, always into fitness. I was a sports secretary of IIM Bangalore. Used to play football, cricket, badminton, all this stuff, right? And I used to be quite thin. But even then, I developed cholesterol, as I told you, right? But so that's how I got interested in nutrition. But in 2016-17, due to some stress factors in job, in personal life, etc., what happened was I started gaining a lot of weight. Right? I went up to 85, which is around 16 kilos above my normal weight, and developed a huge pot belly. My cholesterol came back. Things completely went out of control. But being the sports guy I was very confident. I said, yeah, I will start playing again and everything will be resolved. So I started playing badminton, cricket, football all over again. The only thing I developed was a back pain out of all this, right? My weight was not going anywhere. And that is when I saw Priya, who was not at all interested in fitness till that date, started running marathons and being very, very excited about fitness. She actually got me interested in trying out this Reshape Nation program, and it worked out beautifully for me. After a very, very long time, I got a flat belly. I could almost start seeing my abs, which was the first in my life, right? And my cholesterol became normal forever. I mean, my triglycerides used to shoot through the roof. It's come back to below 100, and this was amazing. I mean, that whatever Priya did and whatever happened to myself, it got us very, very excited and said that if this program works for us, there's a very good possibility this will work for others also, right? And that got us very excited. And even though both of us had very hectic schedules in our office, we decided that we will help out others in whatever way possible. That's how we got started as coaches.
That's really interesting, because especially when you have got people with kids, one thing that we all yearn is, how do we say yes to all of the things that they are yearning for as well? So personally, I have been able to say yes in the last month and a half. So thankful to both of you in that sense. And I'm sure people who are actually viewing, listening to some of this that we are talking will eventually reach out to us to glorify their healthy career for sure. Moving on to the next topic around, this is a common question everyone asks. Hey, I want to reduce X kgs. That's a very, very common question, right? So is there any method to madness? Can anyone lose weight? So can you talk about that, Joe or Priya?
Yeah, I'll answer this. So basically, right, see, weight loss, anyone can do it, definitely, right? But if you see, or provided you don't have very serious health issues where you can't do much changes to your current condition. But apart from that, almost everybody can lose weight. So what we have seen is, always weight is just a symptom, right? We are looking at the weight as being the root cause of all evil, but usually your body is talking to you, but saying that something is unhealthy inside, right? So anyone can lose the weight, provided they fix what is their root cause, right? They understand why the weight is there in the first place, make your body healthy. Some of the people I've seen, they have maybe 20, 25, 30, 40 kgs to lose, but their metabolism may be great, so those will lose weight easily, right? They will come on the program, they will lose it easily. Some may have just 5 or 10 kgs to lose, maybe on the lower end, but they may have a very bad metabolism. So then we will have to work on that. So it depends from each person to person. And that is how we help everybody lose weight. And yes, definitely anyone can do that. There is a method to the madness.
Excellent, excellent. So let's actually codify that, right? So do you have any steps that you have in your mind to talk about? Okay, step one, generally people talk about diet, then exercise, then nutrition. Is it the same process that you think people should follow even, let's say people have got some pre-existing conditions, they've got, how do we actually unpack it? Let's unpack it. So do you want to talk about that, Joe or Priya?
Yeah, I'll take it up. So the first thing that we do, as Priya said, is to understand what is the root cause, right? So we do give out a questionnaire, right? And once we get that questionnaire, we try to understand what is the root cause. Now I'll tell you why this is important. See, people get fever, right? Now when you get fever, you have to understand that fever is just a symptom. Fever might not be the whole problem, right? Fever might be because of COVID, fever might be because of a throat pain, fever might be because of some other bacterial infection. There are a lot of reasons why someone gets fever. Now we cannot give the same solution to fix the root cause. Yeah, for the fever to suppress the symptoms, we all know we can take a paracetamol. That will suppress the symptoms. But to fix the root cause, we have to understand what is the root cause first. So the first thing to do is to understand the root cause. And there are multiple root causes, right? Now, once we understand the root cause, there are 4 steps to this, right? For each root cause, there's a specific diet that we recommend. It's not just based on root cause. There are certain people, for example, who have high uric acid, right? For those people, there has to be a separate diet because they cannot take anything which is known as high purine, right? The uric acid levels will go up. Similarly, for a vegetarian, right, there might be a separate diet. For a non-vegetarian, so any kind of person with any kind of current restrictions, they can still follow the diet, and we will make it possible for them, right? So there would be a diet that would be recommended. Second step would be stress management. See, what you have to understand is just doing a diet is not going to help you, right? Diet, exercise, and one more, that is basically stress management. These 3 will help you in managing the symptoms, right? Now when it comes to exercise, we again depends on the person. There is no fixed routine that we tell each person to follow, right? They might have knee pain, they might have other body parts which is paining, so there is a limit to how much we can tell them generically what to do. So depending on each person, we recommend exercise, but we try and tell them to develop muscles than to just do cardio. The reason being, the more muscles you develop, your metabolism rate goes up, right? And more you use your metabolism rate, more energy your body burns. So in the long run, it is good to develop muscles, but again, it depends on each person, their age, the body pains that they have, whether they have been doing exercise before. All those things matter. But what we
That
have
was my
realized,
next question as well, Joe. So in fact, can anyone build muscle, right? People like me who are 40 plus, is it good? Is it wise? Is it good? Or is it something that you would recommend take it slowly and then do whatever is realistically possible? Or there could be people who have not gone to gym at all in their life. They are 35 plus. So how would you? And there are a number of questions that come through in that range. So what would you recommend?
so anyone can develop muscles. Age is not the factor. The factor would be whether they have any body pains right now, or whether their doctors have told them not to do any exercise. For I know a lot of people who had operations where the doctors have told them not to do any abdominal exercise, right? So those things we'll have to factor in. But in the long term, as I told you, developing muscles is the best way, and you don't need to go to a gym to do that. You can do it at your home. You don't even need equipment to do that, right? We have weight. Our body has weight. We can use a body weight and at home do exercises so that you can increase your muscle mass. So every day morning, 7 a.m. IST, Reshape Nation has wonderful live programs where a trainer comes and teaches us how to do exercise, right? There will be yoga. There's a yoga instructor who will be doing yoga every day. There would be stretching. There would be upper body, lower body, full body workouts, right? And once in a while, there's something known as HIIT, high intensity interval training. And all these are so beautifully designed. Good thing is just 30 minutes and you can do it from the comforts of your home, and you don't need any equipment. And even though it is live, it comes as a recorded session also. So anyone, it's a free thing. All of you can log into Reshape Nation on Facebook, go onto the video section, you will find these workout routines. So
That's wonderful.
Exercise plays approximately 10 to 15% role in your weight loss. 85% would be through the diet actually.
Got it. Right. So, and just for everyone's benefit, so we are talking about 7 a.m. India time. And for rest of the world, obviously, you can use that as a base to convert your local time and take it from there. Thank you for the suggestion. And we may have to follow Reshape Nation in the Facebook. Go for it and then click videos for all the recorded sessions. For the live sessions, obviously, you can tune into that page for it to get loaded. All right. Moving on. Joe and Priya. So we talked about diet, we talked about exercise. Let's talk about the other two important steps which are mostly ignored, right? So the nutrition and the sleep.
So, coming to the your sleep or the stress part, right? So, stress and sleep are closely, related to each other. So, a lot of us ignore stress, but actually, stress plays a huge role in your, weight and in your health itself. And many times, if
Yeah.
you see, yeah, and if you see your body, we can identify a person with highly stress because it will show up in your midsection. It will show up in your love handles. It is going to show up there because cortisol, when it is released, it is obviously going to stop all fat burning, right? And that's why, though we don't realize it, stress management is very important. It can be your external stress, which is your office, your jobs. Most of it is not in our control, but taking a few techniques like long walks, spending time with family, all these things do help, because even good massages, right, they release a lot of stress from your body, and you can start seeing the effects of it when cortisol just leaves, and you can see the effects, where you can see your midsection actually coming down. And nutrition also plays a very important role, because we know that food and nutrition go hand in hand. It's not just about eating the food. We should know what we eat, whether our macros and are all taken care of. If they are not taken care of, all this weight loss that you do, right, many people get into a weight loss journey without really understanding what the nutrition the body needs. And that is when they start cutting out just sugar or just one component of their food, just to see some temporary results. And the moment they eat, they all come back because the body never healed, right? So when we take care of our macros and micros, the body goes into healing, and a healthy body very rarely puts on 5 or 10 kgs, right? So that is what these steps do.
That's beautiful. So macros, micros, so people who can actually Google and find out what those are, or alternatively, at the end of this episode, we will share the link. You can also reach out to us, to me in person. I can hand it over to Joe and Priya as much as I can. And also they've got some handles on the social media whom you can reach out to as well. So lots to learn, especially when you are very serious about losing weight. If you're really serious, go for it. Now, I'm moving on to the challenges, right? So everyone will get so excited. The moment you say there's somebody who has lost weight in 34 days or 35 days, that's so amazing to see. I would like to join the bandwagon. I want to reduce weight as well. But sometimes what happens is, even few of my friends who was so keen to join, who join after 5 days, 6 days, they say, "Oh, that's hard work, man. I'm not going to do it." So, what are the typical challenges that you have seen so far from all these 75,000 odd people that you have helped? And how do you think that we can actually help them overcome some of these?
Yeah, that's a very good question, because see, coming with New Year also, many of us take that decisions, right? Let us become fit this year. 2022 is going to be my year of health. But within 5 or 6 days, most of us quit the gym or quit our diet, whatever we have started, right? The reason is, what, with my experience, I've seen weight loss is never a linear journey. It's never going to be that you lose consistently every week. You see a 1 or 2 kg drop, or monthly you see this much. It's never going to be that. It's never the case for anyone. And once people understand that part, it's always going to be a zigzag, right? You may lose a lot of weight in the beginning, or you may not lose anything for the next 3 weeks. How long can you stick to your resolution, right? The mindset is what plays the most important part, that I am going to achieve this, right? The moment we see that, oh, 2 weeks I did not get any results, this diet is not working for me, and people quit. So
True,
that is where
true.
I think we as coaches play a very important role, right? We actually help them go through that period, because when we tell them, yes, we have seen this before, don't worry about it, just keep with it, and then they see the results, right? That is the amazing part of it. So challenges, not only in HW, in any part of our life, is going to happen. It's never going to be a straight road, happy road to success. It is going to be a zigzag, and that's, if you can just stick through your tenure of that program, you will definitely see results.
Absolutely. So one other tip from my personal experience is never compare yourself with others, right? So your body composition is absolutely different than compared to somebody who might be healthy and they can actually reduce weight much faster than you. So motivation should be more intrinsic and not to be more jealous of people who are actually reducing weight much faster than you. That's something that we have to keep in mind, and be patient, but be consistent, as rightly said by Priya here. Absolutely vital. You would definitely see the results coming through. Thank you for the tip. And now coming back to the process, Joa, Priya, I know that I've gone through the process myself. Fantastically done by Hashim and team. Let's actually talk about the process and what are the benefits and the nudges that one can actually expect out of that process.
See, as we told from the start, I mean, our aim is not just weight loss, right? So we have 4 pillars, right? We have diet, we have exercise, we have stress management, which will take care of the weight loss. I mean, you will start losing weight. Mostly people start seeing results in the first week itself. Very rarely do people take more time, but yeah, very rarely. But then they start seeing results very fast, right? And they start seeing the body becoming healthy. But what happens is the fourth pillar, the nutrition, that helps your body heal, right? Once the body starts healing, you will see a lot of wonderful changes inside you. Your acidity, if at all you have acidity, it goes down. Your bloating goes down. Your energy levels start shooting up, right? I mean, the amount of you, most people feel sleepy in the afternoon after lunch. That stops. Your night sleep becomes much better. So you will see a lot of positive changes, right? So this process is so designed, right? 75,000 people, it cannot be fluke, right? Every single person has got results, right? And good, one more good thing is we create a WhatsApp group for it, right? For each of our clients, we create a WhatsApp group. And in that WhatsApp group, we handle all your questions. So we don't just tell you what to do, we tell you why you are doing it. We want you also to learn how your body is behaving, the science behind this, and which actually helps you also follow the process more correctly, right? And every weekend, Saturdays, we check with you what is your weight, how is your progress, and that's why, I mean, it's almost 100% result, right? It's a very simple process.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Excellent. Thank you for that. I think that's one tip I would say. You'll not be left alone. You'd be constantly handheld all the time through the course of your journey, and the coaches will ensure that the results are actually seen visibly. Fantastic. And now the last point. Is there anything else that you would want to share to our people, Joe and Priya, and how can people reach out to you? I think those are the two important questions, especially with New Year coming tomorrow. There'll be a lot of motivation in people to join and reduce the weight and be more, take their life more seriously by taking the healthy steps.
Awesome. So, guys, everyone knows that. I don't think anyone needs to be told that health is one of the most important things that you have in your life, right? See, if you are healthy, you can be productive. And I'm sure if you're productive, you can earn money, you can earn fame, everything can be done. But for some reason, people take their health very lightly. They always say that health is highest priority, prevention is important. But unfortunately, very few people actually practice it. When we did a survey, we asked people, how many people know that exercising every day is good? Almost 100% said yes. But how many people actually exercise every day? Very less percentage, right? Same thing. So what you have to understand is, if you are overweight, right? If you have a belly, you are unhealthy. And it's not just overweight that you have. There is something going wrong in your body. It might not have come out as a disease yet. It's important to identify it and fix it right away. And that is exactly what we do. We identify a root cause and help you fix it before it becomes a major issue, right? Even if you are thin, doesn't mean that you are healthy, right? That other way also is not correct, right? Even if you're thin, you should always watch out for these 4 pillars. It's a very simple thing. Everyone needs to take care of these 4 pillars. Very simple. Diet, the food we eat, exercising daily, managing your stress well, and making sure your body gets the right nutrition. If at all your body cannot get the right nutrition through natural sources, you may have to supplement it, right? There's absolutely nothing wrong in it, right? So
Correct.
make sure you do this, take care of your health, and let 2022 be the best year of your life, where you are not only changing your life. Trust me, when you are changing your life, becoming healthy, you are actually inspiring a lot of people around you to become healthy. For you, it might be the difference between a flat tummy and a belly, and for it might not be big difference, but for many others around you, it might be a difference between life and death, right? So
True.
please
True.
take care of your health, right? Take care of your health, and just like Madhu is doing, so because he has done the program, he got good results. See the amount of people he is able to influence, right? So be that person in someone else's life as well.
Excellent. Excellent. So how can people reach out to you?
Yeah, so we have Reshape Nation handles on Instagram. You can go and search for Reshape Nation on Instagram, on Facebook, as well as on LinkedIn. You can always reach out to Madhu also, and Madhu maybe can share out our handles on
Absolutely.
LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. So feel free to reach out, guys. The consultation and coaching we used to charge earlier, but right now we are giving it for free because we want an obesity-free world. That is the mission of Reshape Nation: obesity-free world,
Fantastic.
right? And together we are sure that we will reach there.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing your story, and also the weight loss secrets, as we promised for the people. I think it's going to be a wonderful journey, and keep rocking. 75,000 should go to 100,000, 200,000, and 1 million. So keep rocking. All the best. And I would play a part as much as I can in your journey. Thank you so much, Priya and Jovit, for being with us
Thanks
today.
a lot, Madhu. Nice
Have a
interacting.
great year.
Yeah, happy New Year.
See ya. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.